Hello. Now I'm going to explain my app Safenest. So here we can see this is the login page. We have already filled the credentials. If you're a new user, you can just always click don't have an account sign up. In this you'll see email, password, name, phone number, age, gender, all these things you can fill up. And you can select the role user or psychiatrist. Based on this it will take you to that particular page. If it is a user, it will take you to the user page. If you are a psychiatrist, it will take you to the psychiatrist page. So since I am already there, I have credentials, so I'll just log in. This is the user credentials, so I'm just logging in. So coming here, this is the main home page of our app. It says welcome to Safenest, and it says your name, hello Gayatri, and then we have the logo, and then we have the hamburger menu and all the features here. If we just move a little scroll a bit down, we got the question of the day, and then if we move a little more, we got the articles, and then we have a bottom tab navigator which contains home, rewards and profile. Let's explore it from top to the bottom. Before that, I'll explain you the theme of this particular app. As we know, the Safenest is more about a mental health app, and it should calm the user. So entirely we have used a very subtle color theme, yet we have used different colors to differentiate the features. That is, you can see we have blue color for chatbot, red color for SOS, daily challenges is yellow color, and storytelling is a green color, and then view schedules call is a violet color. So these themes differentiate each feature. So when a user want a particular particular feature, they can just directly go into that particular which gives a more of a sense of that particular feature based on the UI. So we have just made it like that, and we have included that wave to include this theme as a one. And then coming to the logo, we have a bird and the shield where it represents we protect you even when you are at a freedom. So that is the particular meaning behind that particular logo. So okay, let's explore. Let's see the hamburger. We don't have much. We have kept the logo and the name, and then user home button, which if we click, it comes to the user home. Next, now let's explore the particular features one by one. Here we have chatbot. So as we can see in the chatbot, the chatting, all your previous chatting will become coming. So I already made few chats. I'll just show it to give an idea how it works. So if I say I'm sad, it will just give you a particular emotional support. If I say I'm stressed, it will give you emotional support, as well as it will suggest you to do some things. And here, as you can see, when I said I'm feel stressed, and then I said give me some strategies to overcome stress, I just understood the connection, and then it gave me the strategies. When I say some messages like I feel hopeless, that is like very emotional distress, it will schedule a call. So we have splitted this into 3 categories, which is initial things, it will respond, the Gemini will respond, I mean the particular AI will respond. Then I feel hopeless is like a distress message which cannot be solved by the chatbot, so it will schedule a call to the psychiatrist. So it said a call is scheduled. And then if I say something more like emergency message, like I want to die, it says like this seems like an emergency, calling 144. So that is for immediate help. So similarly like this, as you can see here, we have a clear chat button as well as a Tamil button. If I just click that Tamil button, everything will be changed into Tamil, and even the response will be given in the Tamil. So this is all about the chatbot. Next, let's go to the SOS. Here we have our trusted contacts list, and then if we want, we can add the contact. And if we send SOS, if we click on it, it'll just make us to go. And then if I just come back, I'll just dial. So this is the emergency number. This is the working of that particular SOS. So here you might have the doubt, right? what is the message and how it is going. Let's just go and check it. So here it went to my trusted contact, and then here you can see we have the live location by the Google Maps, as well as we have the live location which we can track. If we just click that and then just open the URL, we can see the live location. It will be updated for every now and then. So if we move for 10 meters away every time, that will get updated, or else it will update it for every 5 minutes or something. Okay, next let's just go back to our app. So coming to next, daily challenges. We have the daily challenges page. It shows the current level, score, and the batch. The green color one is the batch, and then here is the task which I have kept as an example. EX is example and meditation is example. If we just click on complete, it will increase the streak, and then it will increase the score. And then if we want, we can add a new challenge. Here we have another feature like get personalized challenges. If we just click on that, it will just ask few questions, so we have to answer them like this. I'm just randomly giving few answers. So based on that, it will give you some challenges which you can include them, and then it will provide you a mental health analysis too. This just helps the users to get an idea of what challenges they can follow. This is like a little help for that. After that, we have the storytelling. Just going there, we have the story. So we have one story here. So this is like a story, and then in between it asks like what would you do in that particular situation and everything. So stay back and please don't touch me. I think like it's the right answer. Yes, it will say why it is correct answer, and it will give the legal insight of that. And then going to the next screen. So if I just feel like here I think the answer is this thing. So it says, no, that is not the safest answer. Think again. So I think this is the correct answer. Yeah, we got it. It's the right answer, and then legal insight. So through this way, whenever we just click the right answer, it will be done. And then this is the story. This is for the awareness for the people. And then next we have view schedule calls, which I'll explain here, but more probably you will understand later. So before in chatbot we saw, right, in here where it said like we have scheduled a call with the psychiatrist. So this particular call will go to the psychiatrist. After he schedules that particular call, it will be visible here with the link for the video call and all. A meet link. So for that we have this. Then question of the day. So we have a question, we can answer it. If we just answer it, our score will be increased by 3 points. So it is like to encourage people to take the question of the day, we have kept more score for that. So let's just think, if someone is arrested, what right do they have immediately to consult a lawyer of their choice? Well, then you selected the right answer. Okay, so our score will be increased. And then coming to the articles, these are nothing but just for the sake of information to the users. So this is about meditation. They can get they can just read it and understand. And then we have about sleep, and then habit building. This is about habit building, like why habits work, how to build habits that sticks, what to avoid, and then bonus steps, everything. All these things are like little information to the user. Yeah, this is for social connection. We have all this particular articles. So here we have explored everything. When it comes to the bottom navigator, we are still in the home. If we just go to the rewards page, see, this is the rewards. As you can see, the score has improved. Previously it was 3, then I have did one a streak complete. For that I got 1, and then for the question of the day I have got, so completely I got 7 points. So 4 additional points I just made in this particular video. And then level will be increased after reaching particular score. Here we have a plan growth to visually make it how much growth the particular user have done. Based on the score, our plant will grow. So since my score is just 7, there is a little sapling here. So that is it. It will just grow. If the score is increasing, it will just grow and it will just become a matured plant. After it is grown completely, that will be counted as one plant grown. Like you can click harvest plant. If now I click, it says your plant isn't ready to be harvested. If it's completely grown, you can harvest the plant and the plants grown will be incremented by 1, and then score will be resetted, but the badge will be incremented. So this is all about the rewards page. And then finally we have the profiles page, where we have all the profiles, and then we can edit profile and then log out. So this is it. Now we can see how the chatbot works, so we can understand. Here I'll show you. I feel hopeless. So it will schedule a call to the doctor. So let's see this. Remember this, that I have sent a request. I sent a message, so I'll schedule a call with that particular doctor. So it is a scheduling call. Remember this. Now let's see the next category, emergency. I want to die. So here it is like an emergency. It will just go immediately to the helpline. Okay. So this particular call, let's just go to psychiatrist page through the credentials and see how this particular call is just went to that particular psychiatrist. So now I'm just going to the psychiatrist page with the psychiatrist credentials. I have used a few credentials of my own for the example. 1 second. 7890. So as I log in, this is the psychiatrist page. You can see the difference between the user page and psychiatrist page. It is the same styling, but it just have only one particular button, view scheduled calls. See here, what is the message the particular user has sent, and the scheduled time is not there, so we have to schedule it. Set the time. If I think today is 4th, I can schedule it tomorrow if the doctor feels, or today. Based on the message, I feel hopeless, the doctor can decide what can be the emergency. So based on that, if I just feel like okay, that's fine, and then I just clicked okay, and then I just want to decide the time, 4 o'clock. So that's thing. So the schedule, time and room link is updated. Now as we can see, the time is updated and room is updated. The link was the join room thing. Okay. So now let's just check in the user page how it is getting reflected once the particular psychiatrist has scheduled the call. I said you right to remember that particular page, how the calls will be reflected. So this is the page, view scheduled calls. If you just go, now we got the call. See when it is scheduled and what is your message and who is the psychiatrist. You can tap to join it. You can join the call. It will just open the link and then you can join the call. You can join in from the browser and it will just make the app to get joined. So this is all about our app, Safenest. This is a one step for everything, that is for mental health and then safety. We have everything covered, all our features, that is visual counseling as well as gamified application for awareness, and then to create and generate awareness. All this is completely done, and it is for women and children. So we have chosen the theme this way, so it doesn't look so childish and it doesn't look too matured. Thank you. This is the end of the explanation.